Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how I tried the Chic Naturals easy and neat twists. I followed her 101, the rubber band method, and yeah, keep watching to see how that came out. So this is my first time ever doing my own hair, installing extensions, and I have to say it came without its challenges. I mean, I am all about self-care, as you know, on this channel, and if anything, the past 2 years have taught us that sometimes, you know, you may not be able to go and see that beautician or that hairdresser to be able to make you well put together. So I just kind of decided to teach myself how to, you know, make myself look good. I've been teaching myself how to do makeup. I'm still learning. You can probably see that, but I still look decent. I still look, well put together, and I decided to push myself and also learn how to install my extensions in my own hair. You will also know that if you've been following this channel a lot, that I am a natural hair fanatic. I love my natural hair. I love learning about it, and I'm learning a lot. I love experimenting with it, but I decided to push it a little bit further and teach myself how to install my own hair. And oh my God, did it come with its own challenges. So I watched a video from the Chic Natural. She made it look super simple and bam, bam, bam. I was like, I'll give it a go. I'll try this. This looks really doable. And a lot of comments that were also in the comment section, everybody was like, oh my God, I'm going to be doing this myself. And I've tried this and thank you so much. You've saved me a lot of money. And I was like, yeah, I can do this. I've got hands, but yeah, it wasn't quite as easy. I gotta say, it took me, I think maybe plus or minus 20 hours to do the whole process. It was very, very, very challenging for me. And I said, I've never done it before. So what I did is started by, sectioning my hair, and putting the rubber bands in first. That took hours and hours. I mean, for the Chic Natural, she said she did it in an hour. Maybe I did it 4 or 5 hours, because I was also using this 3-way mirror. Let me just insert that and show you how it looks like. So I invested into purchasing this mirror. So basically, I'll also kind of put a link into where I got it from. So it's 3-way like this, yeah? So you can kind of see the back and the sides and everything. So I thought, yeah, that's going to make it so much easier, but that wasn't the case. Unfortunately, if anything, it made it more difficult for me, because you are seeing the reflection, you're seeing like the mirror image. So I'll be like, oh, I think I need to do it this way. I'm like, no, it should be that way. And it was just so confusing. It was a disaster. Yeah, it just was challenging, and it took me way, way longer than I would have preferred to do it. So now I'm gonna go in now and show you how everything came out like.
Okay, so as you can see, I was so excited. I couldn't wait. I thought, I've got this. I'm gonna do it. Snap, 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 and I'll be done. I started off with my hair freshly washed and clean. So it came to this parting business that really just took me a long, long time. I did try the best that I could, but the hair just wasn't cooperating. And then I just settled for, for what looked okay-ish. Again, and as I said, the mirror really did confuse me quite a bit, but I'm sure with time I'll get the hang of it. So I then just started patting the hair. I'll put the gel just to make sure that, you know, the hair is really sleek. And then I would put the rubber band. I'll twist it a little bit, make it really nice and smooth and sleek, and then put the rubber band on. So I continued to do that, you know, struggling with the patting, but just kind of made it what I could, you know, considering that this is my first time. And I think I was trying to be really too hard on myself, trying to make it super perfect when I've never ever done this before. So yeah, I ended up looking super tired. As you can see here, I was really tired, but I carried on and managed to complete the whole head, and hallelujah, I was so happy once everything had been done, once I had completed patting the whole head. It was really, I was so excited about that. So then I started installing the braids. So what I would do, I would go in, do kind of a plate. I don't know what it's called, plaiting, that, you know, when you're doing like with 3 strands. I did that to start with, and then I would twist it after doing the 3 strands plait thing, plait that and then I'll just twist it. And I carried on twisting the whole head. The hair was quite long as well. How long is it, by the way? I'll have to double check and confirm how long the inches are. And I didn't finish, so the next day we were going somewhere. I was like, yeah, let's carry on. I kept doing it, plaiting my hair, you know, trying to be positive. I'm like, I got this. This is my first time, but I'm gonna do it. I've got this. So yeah, I managed to do most of it and actually finished off when I arrived where I was going. And yeah, that's what happened, guys. It wasn't easy.
The first thing I learned is my sectioning. When I was doing the rubber bands, I think I was sectioning them too far apart. So when I finished everything, I had a lot of gaps in the head. Once everything was done, there were just too many gaps. And that's why I ended up just adding this hair as well, just on its own, just to kind of cover up and fill up the gaps and just pretend like that's what I wanted to do from the beginning. As you can see here, I've got some twists, and then I added the hair just on its own, untwisted. And this is how the back looks like. So I've got some sections where you can see the twist, and then on some sections where the hair has just been kind of added as it is, you know, not twisted. And I'm just gonna go in again and show you how horrible the parting was. I mean, looking at it now, I'm also kind of proud of myself because, like I said, this was my very first time doing it. But can you see how big the parting is? And I think I probably needed to make the twists bigger, or, you know, do more hair. I don't know. Those that are really good at plaiting hair, can you tell me, you know, what I probably needed to change? But I'm happy. As I said, this was my first time doing it. I like how it all turned out in the end. I mean, I think I can totally wear this for a couple of weeks or so. You know, I can kind of pull it back like this. You know, it looks okay. It looks all right. You know, it's not like bad. And I can put it to the side if I wanted to, you know, just to mix it up a little bit, you know, totally rock it like that. I mean, not too bad, guys. What do you think? I could wear it like that. on the side. I could part in the middle as I did starting out this video. And I think I'll probably be changing this hair as you know, as it gets frizzy and frizzy. But yeah, I mean, I'm happy with it. For the first timer, for the first time, I think it's decent. It's decent. I'm sure that the second time I do it, it'll be so much better. And I'm just gonna keep working on it and improving. I also have 2 little girls, so I'm gonna be training myself on their hair as well, if they let me. And also keep doing it on my own hair. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it was, you know, it didn't go as great as I would have liked it, but it's decent. I can totally wear this, and people will just think, oh, she's mixing up twisties and untwisted, and it's like a fancy new hairstyle. Obviously, if they don't know the detail that I had to add in the hair, just to cover up what was actually going on. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I talk about all things self-care or positivity, a bit of vlogs as well. I haven't actually done any vlogs as yet, but I plan to do those in the near future. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you on the next video. And have a very lovely Merry Christmas, you! Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.